Hello lovely people and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm gonna show you the best way to peel tomatoes. So I discovered this great little hack for peeling tomatoes and I love it. I think it's the best method and I use it for all my tomato recipes. So here's what you do. First, you're going to wash, dry and remove the stem from your tomatoes. So far, this is pretty standard. Next, you're going to put them in a bag and freeze them for at least a day. What? Freeze them? Yes. When you need a peeled tomato for a recipe, you take it out and you peel it under cold water. That's it. The skin will come right off. How easy was that? Seriously. The best thing about this method is you can cut through the tomato like ice cream and you won't waste any of the juice. So the drawbacks of this method are, first, you need to remember to put the tomatoes in the freezer. But if you are meal prepping, you should be fine. And second, you need space in your freezer for the tomatoes. So if you're someone like me who has a really small freezer, you're not gonna be able to do big batches. But I don't care about that anyways because I've never needed more than 4 tomatoes for one recipe. Even if you do have a big freezer, you're not gonna fill up the space with tomatoes. That doesn't make any sense. So if you're someone that cooks big batches of tomato sauce, or if you're making soup for like 50 people, freezing them isn't gonna work for you. You need to blanch them. So you start by washing and removing the stem from your tomatoes, which is standard, then you score the bottom with an X. You boil some water, drop your tomatoes for like 60 seconds or until the egg starts to peel, then you take them out, shock them in an ice bath to stop them from cooking, and then you peel them. Am I going to put all this effort and have extra dishes to clean for just 4 tomatoes? No. No, I am not. Also, am I going to peel 4 tomatoes by hand? No. No, I'm not. Because it takes effort and precision to peel the skin without the flesh. That's why I freeze them. Because it takes 0 effort to do that. And that's what I need. I need things in my life that take 0 effort. In conclusion, if you are someone that uses 1 to 4 tomatoes in a recipe, then freezing them is the way to go. If you need more than that, then you should probably blanch them. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. حاسه كانه كل الامبرفكشنز تاعولي مبينين على هدول القضيه الجديد كلياتهم. شفت هالحبه اللي هون؟ اكيد فيكم تشوفوها لانه مبينه على الضوء هالقد فاقعه. Peel the flesh without the skin. ما فيكم تعملوا فينا هيك برو. In a recipe, freezing them without the flesh. That's why I can't deal with this. I cannot. I regret it. I regret buying lights with batteries. Oh my god. هلا لازم نروح على السوبر ماركت لأجيب بطاريات. Oh my god. ما بصدق. I just want you to know what happened. I went to the supermarket. I got batteries. And I shot the rest of the video only to realize at the very, very end that my mic wasn't on. Now I have to reshoot. Oh, and my lights turned off again. That was lovely. Yeah. Tomatoes by hand? Also no. هلا اشتريتهم literally an hour ago. Not even. كانوا عم بيطفوا كل الوقت. to peel this